Hello, we're gonna solve this question, so we're gonna start reading. In a music school, the ratio between piano students and guitar students is 6 to 2. The school has 24 students taking piano lessons. What is the total number of students at a music school? We're gonna get started and we're gonna identify important information. In a music school, the ratio this is a keyword. Remember, this is the one that tells me there is a relationship between two numbers. And then we're going to have piano students. I'm going to use one color for that. And then I have another different thing happening here. The other one is guitar student. And then I have to follow the order. So piano should be the 6 and the guitar student should be the 2. Now, the school has 24 students taking piano lessons, and we're using orange for that. 20 students taking piano lessons. Now they're asking what is the total number of students at the music school. Okay, so now they want to know something different. Notice that we talk about piano, guitar, and then piano again. Okay, so this is something different. So I'm going to be using another colors. Total. Okay, and we did this circle or underline. We're gonna box the question. Total number of students. Wanna know the total? Okay, we did circle, underline, box. Now we have to do elaborate. For elaborate, because I have a ratio, I'm gonna draw a table, and also I'm gonna draw a picture of what's going on. So I'm gonna bring my picture and my table, guys. Okay, so I'm going back to my sentence. Notice what came first. Piano students. So that's what I'm gonna write first. So on the left side, I'm gonna write piano students. And then on the right side, I'm gonna write guitar students. And then I'm gonna transfer the numbers that I have on top. It's 62. Then I'm gonna identify my numbers with the colors I identify on the sentence. So for piano, we chose orange. And for guitar, we chose green. Awesome. Next, they said also that there are 24 students taking piano lessons. So just remember, guys, that would be like the ratio of 6 to 2. It could be in just one classroom. But that doesn't mean it's all the students in the school. But what it means is it's gonna repeat in the same amount of the numbers. So now the story says they have 24 for piano. Okay, so I'm gonna highlight that like this. And then the question is, what is the total? But I don't know the total. And then we never talk about total, right? What does that mean? Oh, I have to add another section to our table. So let me add that section to the table, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna have the total students on the next section in my table. And what color do I use for the total? Of course, we're gonna be using this purple pink that we chose. Okay, so now I'm gonna say this is actually my question. The total students, but when there are 24 playing piano. This is the number that we don't know. But no, look at this table. And look at all the instruments that we have on the left side with the picture. Okay, so when there are 6 piano students and 2 guitar students here, what will be the total, guys? Yes, it will be 8. You see how we can complete this section here? Yes, exactly. If in the school there are 24, how many times are we repeating this group of students of 6? Well, I started with 6 like I have right here, and we have to repeat that one how many times? Excellent, 4 times. Let me bring that picture, guys. You see that in here, guys? This is 1 time, the small group they started with, but then that one repeats 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times. And that's how we got this pattern here. And then if we do that, guys, and if we count the piano, really is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6, that's 12, plus 6, 18, and plus this 6 right here, that's our 24. Great. Now notice that when we find a pattern, then we can just apply that pattern on any other side of the table. So what will be the total here, guys? Exactly, that will be 8 times 4, which is 32. Great. That should be the total. And we can prove that by counting how many I in one small group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is one total, right? But to get to 24 piano students, we are repeating this number 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So if this is 8, 8 times 2, 16, 8 times 3, 24, and 8 times 4, 32. Awesome, guys. So this way we found our answer. Now this is method 1, using a ratio table. But remember that we've been saying that there are more than one method. Okay, the next one we're going to use is going to be method 2. And all what I have to do, I'm going to transfer exactly the information that I have here, making sure I write corresponding quantities in my proportion. I have 8 over x, like this. Then I need to make sure that I transfer the information exactly the way it is. So this is piano to piano. Those are corresponding quantities. And the 8 is the total to total. So this one here will give me the new total. Why I didn't use the information in the guitar section? Because it is incomplete. Also, we can apply also the pattern. Is this pattern right here? It should be the same pattern. The table follows the pattern. So that should be 8. We did it following the pattern, and we can do it by looking at our picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. But since I have the other 3 numbers and I need to have 3 and just missing 1 to be able to set up a proportion, that's the reason why instead we use this section here and this section here, the ones that are in pink. Okay, great. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to identify the 2 numbers that are across, remember? That's to multiply, and the one that is by itself, that's going to be divide. Okay, I'm going to write it on the side, so that will be x equals 24, that multiplies 8, and then it's going to divide by the 6. Awesome. And look, I'm going to just highlight my numbers so we can track where the numbers are coming from. And this is another way we can do, guys. This here, you see, is a fraction because I have a numerator and denominator. And remember also that's one division. Can you please help me and tell me what is 24 divided by 6? Or in other words, 6 times what gets me 24? And yes, the answer is 4. And I'm going to highlight that in orange because this 4 comes from this orange section. And then I'm going to bring down the pink A right there. So now I have just one multiplication. X equals 32. Did I get the same answer here and here? Yes, awesome. Our answer is letter C. Great job, guys. Completed our answer and the solution, the solve section 2. Thank you.